This is where the world's tallest building would rise.
Every megastructure begins with precise planning.
Designing extreme height requires advanced engineering.
Concrete was poured deeper than any skyscraper before. Concrete was pumped to record-breaking heights. Human skill meets powerful machines. The foundation had to support unprecedented weight.
Deep foundations anchor the tower firmly.
This base would carry the entire structure. Months of work formed the unseen core. Heavy machinery was essential from day one.
And crew built stone drills. Steel gives strength against gravity and wind.
The central core defines the tower's spine. The structure begins to expand outward. The Burj Khalifa started reshaping the skyline.
Worker safety remained a top priority.
Wind forces increased dramatically with height.
The building essentially built itself upward.
Temperature control was critical.
Each lift required perfect coordination. Each floor was built with millimeter accuracy. The Burj Khalifa gained its iconic look. Inside work progressed alongside exterior construction. These elevators would be among the fastest on Earth. Aerodynamics shaped the final design.
Records were broken step by step.
Construction equipment adapted as height increased. The exterior skin was engineered for heat and wind. The tower's crown was built separately.
The façade protects and cools the building.
Precision prevents air and water leakage.
Vertical transport was a major challenge.
Entire levels house vital systems. Climate control was essential for comfort.
Safety systems protect thousands of occupants.
The final height was about to be revealed.
The vision was becoming reality.
This was one of the most delicate phases.
Power distribution spans kilometers. Water had to travel extreme heights. The Burj Khalifa became the tallest in history. Precision mattered more than ever. The building was prepared to shine. Years of effort reached a milestone.
Luxury details followed structural completion.
Visitors would soon look down from the sky.
A new icon was born.
Every detail was carefully reviewed.
Materials were sourced from around the world.
The inside was designed to match the tower's scale. Luxury spaces were built at extreme heights. Lighting enhances both beauty and safety. Transparency adds elegance and openness.
Every apartment required precision finishing.
Advanced software manages vertical movement.
Elevators travel faster than most skyscrapers.
Visitors would soon enjoy unmatched views.
The city appears miniature from this height.
Safety was engineered into every level.
Preparedness is critical in super tall buildings.
Cooling such height required massive energy systems. Water travels hundreds of meters inside the tower.
Hidden systems keep the building alive.
The tower transforms after sunset. Light became part of its identity.
The project entered its final stage.
Presentation mattered as much as construction.
The public finally stepped inside.
Performance was pushed to its limits.
A historic moment for architecture.
The Burj Khalifa debuted in spectacular fashion. The tallest building on Earth stood complete. Hospitality reached new heights.
Welcome to the Grand Imperial. We hope you enjoy your stay.
Business moved into the sky.
The Burj Khalifa became a vertical city.
Work never truly stops.
Height brings unique challenges.
The design reduces wind stress. The scale redefines perspective.
The Burj Khalifa set new standards.
It surpassed all records. Vision became reality. Dubai's skyline was forever changed.
Architecture meets art. Its height still feels unreal. Human ambition built this. Thousands contributed to this achievement.
It captured worldwide attention.
The pinnacle of engineering.
The world's tallest building stands timeless.
The Burj Khalifa never sleeps.
A symbol of human possibility.
From sand to skyline.